Hey everyone, welcome back to Makeup Without Limitations. I am still using my practice face because my eyes are still healing. They're coming along nicely, and I am truly embracing every section of that healing process. On this channel, I like to show you how you can change one look into something else. So, in this blue look, I am going to take this look and make it into a smoky, grungy look. I'm going back into that blue, and I start on the edge of that grungy green so I can smooth it out a little. This is what the final result is for a smoky, grungy blue eye look. I use a grungy green to darken the outer corner and under the lower lash line halfway. So you can change one look to look like something else and enjoy your makeup. Don't let anyone tell you how to wear your makeup. Wear your makeup according to how you are feeling. Always remember you are first. You matter, you are enough, and you are loved. I will talk to you again shortly. Bye.